캄캄한 나 홀로 너를 생각하네. 이런 기분 설명할 수 없어. 원래 이맘쯤.
Hello, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna be showing you what are the editing tools or apps that I use for editing my videos. I have seen requests from one of my followers rather in Instagram on what are the editing tools that I use, and it's for free. Actually, the first thing that I use, and it has no watermark. You can assure that there's no watermark after all. It's InShot, and there are a lot of cute stickers that is for free, and you can make your video, your intro and outro as well. And another thing is that I use is KINEMASTER. I don't know how to properly pronounce that. All right, so those are the two apps that I use. I also use Filmora, but I find KINEMASTER the easiest to use if you're a starter, if you're not very familiar with editing tools, especially with editing videos. And the outcome is great because you can choose to save on how many pixels, or I think if you want to save it in HD, it has an option there. So I hope you keep on watching on how to edit videos on KineMaster. Actually, there are a lot of videos in YouTube that will show you how to edit, and then there are also some free editing apps that you can use. So far, those are the two that I find very user friendly, and as a starter for me, I didn't have any issues or problems with regards to difficulties in editing my videos. And I'm going to be showing you how I make my YouTube intro in KineMaster, and how long does it take for you to save. Sometimes if you have like a long video, like for okay, sorry about that, if you have like a 5-minute video, it's going to render quite long. But not all videos are gonna be that long, right? So you can also make like short videos like what I do in tutorials. So I hope you keep on supporting my channel. Thank you so much for subscribing. It means a lot to me, and I hope you watch my video. Please do support educational videos like us, okay? So thank you so much for watching, guys, and keep on watching. Okay, guys, you have to open your app in KineMaster and click that in the middle of the project. Choose your aspect ratio, and then select the background that you want to use. Alright, so these are series of backgrounds that is already available in KineMaster. So I choose blue, but I think I'm gonna choose this glitter one. Yeah, and I can remove that one. Alright, so to make it more clear. And then you're gonna click layer and text. This time I'm gonna make my YouTube intro, and I'm gonna type my YouTube channel, Dream with Mina. And there are lots of fonts that I can choose. Can make it bigger like that. And I chose Great Vibes because this is my signature. Alright, so to make it clearer, you have to choose the color of the font. This time I'm gonna be choosing a purple one. Yeah, dark purple. And there are many options in this part. You can even choose font style, the shadow. You can even put shadow on the text. Just click enable, and then choose the opacity. Alright, so there you go. And then you're gonna add another layer if you want, or you can emphasize the text like in animation, pop. So there are a lot of animations to choose from. So you can choose which one you like. So I think I chose letter. And then in order for it to stay, you also have to choose another layer of stickers this time. So there are animated stickers that is already free in KINEMASTER. So just Heartburst. You can choose the size, you can adjust the color. Okay. So in this case, I'm not yet satisfied. So it's just 3 seconds, as you can see. I'm gonna make it into 5 seconds. Alright. Okay. So let's see. Alright, so you're gonna choose again. But I decided not to put anything anymore. So there are still lots of cute stickers around that you can choose. Okay, so let's just drag it if you want to see it playing. Okay, so this time you can put that on top of a video or after the video if you want an outro of your YouTube video. So if you're not feeling satisfied, I chose overall animation. Flicker, I think it looks pulse. I will choose pulse this time. Yep. For emphasis. Alright. So, okay, you can play it. If you want, then, okay, just drag it and check which of it that you like. Okay, you can choose another video to edit it. Alright. So this time I'm gonna choose, no, not this one. I'm gonna choose another video that is already exported. So I will choose another. Okay, so yeah. Oh, I forgot to drag the keys. You can just undo that. The easiest way in KineMaster is just to undo the things that you think you did wrong. Okay, so like that, just drag it, play. So that's just how I edit my intro. So there are still lots of ways on how to edit, as you can see. Okay, and then if you're not yet satisfied, you can put an audio. So there are already a lot of downloaded audio that is free in KineMaster. So I'm gonna choose this one. Alright. So you just can drag the audio if you want to shorten it. Or if you want it to play all the way in the video, you can just click loop. Alright. So this time, check it. Okay. And hence we don't anymore need, or if you want to export it just like that, you can erase the video. Alright, so remove and then export. Okay, you can choose the highest resolution. Alright, so since it's just a 5-second video, it's just so easy to export. Alright guys, so I hope you liked my video. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell. Okay, so if you're not satisfied, you can play the video again, the save video, to see if you did good, or if you're not satisfied, you can just edit it anytime. Okay, so I hope you like my video. I hope I gave you some information on how to use KineMaster Premium. Okay, thank you so much for watching. Bye.